Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with AMD software. Whenever you launch it, you got the error Windows update may have automatically replaced your AMD graphic drivers. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. I'll go ahead and show you the issue. Whenever I right click and choose the option AMD software, here is the error I am getting. So let's go ahead and resolve this error. Right click on start menu and choose the option device manager. Here expand your display adapter and whatever your AMD graphic card is, right click and choose option properties, click on driver tab, and if rollback driver is available, choose the option rollback driver to roll back your drivers to the previously stable state. If you have more than one GPU, like at my end I have two GPUs of AMD, you need to do the same with second one also, properties driver and rollback driver. Now if rollback driver option is not available, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to your browser and this is the official AMD website. You need to download software compatibility tool. Scroll down and you will find the link to download the tool over here. Click on it. Once it is saved, go ahead, right click and choose the option run as administrator. Hit the yes button. Wait patiently until the software started to download the compatible drivers for your AMD software. It may take a while as it is downloading the drivers right from the AMD software website. So wait patiently until this software works out for you. Now you can see it has finished installing AMD software. Now hit the OK button. Now before launching the software, make sure you restart your PC because whenever I right click, the option of AMD Adrenaline software has gone out. So make sure you restart your PC. After restarting, the software is ready to launch. And to prevent such kind of issues in future, you need to disable the automatic updates of your graphic card. For that, right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here system properties advanced and hit the enter key. Now here click on hardware tab and under the device installation settings, click on it and you need to choose the option no. After choosing the no, hit the save changes option. Once it is done, you won't face the issue of Windows update may have automatically replaced your AMD graphic drivers. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.